All right, this is a product I've never used, but it's a high temperature ice and water shield, made in the United States. And putting it, you can see I've got one strip on there, and I'm putting it on the roof because putting it on, excuse me, metal roof right on top of this, and it's going to be the 3-foot ag panels with the surface mounted screws with washers, and it's inexpensive. Relatively inexpensive, other than the standing seam metal that we put on the house, and it goes up quick, but the only problem with it is that the screws and all the washers, they're the weak point in the system, that with all the screws, inevitably some of them are going to leak, and over the years the washers may fail. But by putting this rubberized sticky, self-sticking membrane on, I'm hoping that it will self-seal around the screws, and even if they do leak, this is going to solve that problem, and I won't have any leaks getting all the way through into the barn. So that's what I'm putting on. That's what I'm putting on, and next week I'm going to order all the metal, and so we won't be looking at this green surface hopefully for too long. There we go, as easy as that. Probably put you on the time lapse, and we'll do some of the, keep going. I gotta get this side of the roof done this morning while it's cool. All right, I got this product all stuck down to the roof, and there are a few ripples, but not too bad. I am trying to tamp down the little high spots. But I didn't film much because I want to get this down before it got too hot. Because once this stuff gets hot, roof gets hot, it can be just a disaster. So anyway, look at that. We have a green roof. Anyways, it's the ice and water shield high temperature stuff. So I hope it works. I hope I'm doing the right thing. Anyway, we're going to clean up. I'm going to go downstairs, and there's a bunch of odds and ends to do today, so that tomorrow we can concentrate on moving the horses up, moving all our stuff from my parents' tack room, excuse me, and basically yeah, relocating everything into the new barn. So odds and ends now that the roof is done. That's on the agenda today. All right, one of the small jobs that I have to complete is putting a cleat running under the underside of the rafters, just to give them more support, because they're not, the lower part just needs more support, and I don't have joist hangers that are going to go on there. So I'm going to nail a cleat on there, which should do just the right thing. Well, I'm sorry I didn't film a lot today. We've had just too many people coming and going. The vet was here to take care of the horses with their annual shots, and just other visitors. And anyways, I'll show you what I did get done amongst all of the stuff going on. Like I said, I should have filmed this, but I didn't. So I got the first layer of sheathing boards on this side, and I got that side there done. So there's the tack room window, and that's all I got done today. Tomorrow is all about putting some sheathing boards on the inside of the tack room, and probably temporarily putting this door in, trying to get the tack room a little bit more, a little drier, so and on its way to being mouse proof. So it's a bit of a disaster now. I got stuff everywhere, but they're all the really wide boards for in here, so they're gonna be in here. I can't seem to predict, they can't seem to predict when it's gonna rain. It seems to be raining every day or every other day, so I'm just trying to work around that. So stick around. Hope you're not too discouraged. There'll be more footage of me putting the working on the inside of the tack room. So stick around. You ready? Your edge is not quite in there. All right, I'm gonna get this out of here. All right, put it in. Is it pushed in all the way?
I don't know.
Well, is it tight against the siding?
Is it tight against the side?
And look around the corner.
No, it's pretty good.
All right, let me get it centered, and then we'll put it in place. I just got to go find some, I just got to go find a lock set. I think I have one down the shop. And there's our temporary door. The 908 casing is going to be ripped off at some point, because I don't like 908 casing. Anyways, there's a temporary door. All right, this is what it looks like on the inside. I have to realize that I know there's sun shining in right now on it, but that won't be there in the future because there's going to be a wall there and a roof covering all that up. But anyway, we got this as a, let's see, we got this door from a big box store and it was damaged, and we got it at a slight discount. I wish we had gotten a better discount. I just don't have time to build some of this stuff, otherwise I had to build a door. But it's a nice door. We didn't pay a lot of money for it, but it's not wood. I keep forgetting the film stuff. Anyway, I got the wide boards on the inside of the tack room. I don't think I'm going to do up there right now, at least. I'm going to, after I take a break, I'm going to try to fill in that up there and that section up there. And then we're going to clean out this corner and move the cabinet over there, and then put some plastic on the outside of that wall. And we have the window for that wall. I'm not going to put it in today. So, and then that will be it for this side of the barn for now. This afternoon, hopefully I can start the process on the other side of the barn, the mirror image of where I'm standing. And it'll be a lot easier because I've done this side once, but also because there are no stalls or tack room. So there's no interior boards or partitions to put in, and it should go much, much faster. So that's the plan. Finish up this room today, and then get started on the rest of the barn. So stick around.